Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to verify your cash card on Apple Pay if it's not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. It's pretty easy for you to do that. First of all guys, you have to open the app store. First of all, you have to make sure that you are using latest version of the Cash app, and just simply have to open the Cash app. Let me tell you that when you tap on cash card, you can easily see here the option of add to Apple Pay. Let me show you here guys. So guys, you can easily see here add to Apple Pay option. Okay guys, so from here you have to tap on that and you can easily add that one. If it's not working from here guys, then you can do it from the Apple Pay itself. From here you have to tap on Apple Pay wallet. Just simply have to tap on plus icon. From here you have to tap on debit or credit card. From here you have to wait some seconds. Now you can easily see here continue, tap on that. So from here you can scan your cash card. If it's not working through scanning, just simply have to tap on enter card details manually. Now from here you have to put your name. Here you have to put the cash app account name, and here you have to put the card number. Once it's done for you guys, just simply have to tap on next at the top right corner and your card will be added to the Apple Pay without any restriction. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.